In Fleet Intelligence, you receive real-time alerts by phone or email for asset protection, health, maintenance, and much more. You can even automatically set up new users to receive alerts based on specific assets that they are responsible for. To navigate to alerts management, go to any charter table in Fleet Intelligence and right-click. At the bottom of that list, click on Subscribe Message. From here, you can select asset protection alerts like curfew, device tamper, and geofence entry and exit. Or if you're tracking over the road, you can receive alerts for driver behavior like speeding and braking. You can track asset health with diagnostic codes, maintenance, and inspection. You can even receive alerts when device batteries are low, or if there's low utilization on an asset. These real-time alerts keep you in the know and help you react quickly to the most important fleet data. Save time, money, and keep your fleet up and running by staying up to date with Fleet Intelligence alerts. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more, please visit our website at fleetintelligenceglobal.com.